नमस्ते। हमेशा खुश रहें सभी बिटियाएं। माय नेम इज JBN Dr. Vishal Saxena. I am Associate Professor in Mathematics and Statistics in the Faculty of Agricultural and Veterinary Science in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take a lecture on the module Mechanism of Mass Transfer Theory. This module is a part of the course Modeling and Simulation of Bioprocess and course is a part of the program BTech and BSc 9 trimester FBT and FST. Faculty Agriculture and Veterinary Science. So first we see what is mass transfer. Mass transfer describes the transport of mass from one point to another and is one of the main pillars in the subject of transport phenomena. So mass transfers may take place in a single phase and or over phase boundaries in multi-phase systems. In the vast majority of engineering problems, mass transfer involves at least one fluid phase, that means maybe gas or the liquid. Although it may also be described in solid phase materials also. In many cases, the mass transfer of species takes place together with chemical reactions. So all we know that here mass transfers of species take place with chemical reactions also. This implies that flux of a chemical species does not have to be conserved in a volume element or volume part. Since chemical species may be produced or consumed in such an element, the chemical reactions are sources or sinks in such flux balances. The theory of mass transfer allows for the computation of mass flux in a system and the distribution of the mass of different species over time and space in such a system. Means the mass transfer that allows for the computation of mass flux in a system and may be distributed of the mass of different species over the time and space in such a system, also when chemical reactions are present. The purpose of such computations is to understand. So what is the purpose of such computations? Computation means the mass transfer. The purpose of such computations is to understand and possibly design or control such a system in which mass transfer can occur. So we can see a figure is given here, is shown here. This is the figure of transport and reactions in a reactor. So the concentration isosurfaces reveal mass transfer through diffusion and convection. The flux through diffusion takes place perpendicular to the concentration isosurfaces, that is, the reactions may cause a flux to the reaction site of the species that are consumed in the reaction. Convection creates a larger separation between concentration isosurfaces and takes place along the streamlines of the fluid flow, which in some places run along the isosurfaces. Since convection tends to eliminate concentration gradients along its main direction. So we are discussing about the mechanism of the mass transfer, and the mass transfer we have seen here, that is the part of the, also it is a very important part of the fluid dynamics also and engineering problems. So we have seen here the mass transfer along with the chemical reaction also here, and the mass transfer with the in the different or in a system may occur. So the mass transfer theory we have studied here has a vast applications also, and it is useful in the research part also here, and has a great scope due to its application part. It is a part of the physics and like engineering, mechanical engineering here, and civil engineering part also, and different engineering problems can be done here with the theory of mass transfer. So this session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jayatri Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. So with this here, we conclude our today's topic, that is the mechanism of the mass transfer. We have studied here how the mass transfer take place in a system or in a different systems. So with this here, we conclude our today's lecture. Thank you.